Looking for your next career move, LinkedIn Jobs makes it easy to find job opportunities, connect with employers, and network all in one place. Simply create a strong profile, browse job listings, and apply directly to roles that match your skills and interests. It's a great tool to land your dream job and grow your professional network. So, hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use LinkedIn Jobs full tutorial. The first step that you have to do right now is just open your browser and dive into linkedin.com, or you can just type LinkedIn after you're opening your browser. And right now you have just to add your email address and your password. If it's your first time, you have just to click over join in, and you have sign in, and you have also other option which is catch with Google, or you tell LinkedIn you click over join out. So first, let's know what is LinkedIn Jobs. So it's a feature on LinkedIn that allows users to search for job opportunities, apply to roles, and connect with recruiters and employers. It leverages your LinkedIn profile to match you with relevant job listings, making it easier to find and apply for positions that align with your skills and experience as well. So right now, let's just come back to the top and let's just link in our information. Then you'll find a page which is this one. So choose LinkedIn Jobs. You have just to create here or update your LinkedIn and or update your LinkedIn profile with your skills, experience, and current interests. Browse job listings that match your profile and filter them by location, industry, and job type. You can easily apply directly LinkedIn and even connect with recruiters or hiring managers to boost your chances. It's a simple and effective way to find job opportunities and grow your professional network. So all we have to do right now is just getting started. We have five things that we have to know about this one. Firstly, we have here the home page. As you can see, you just to start here by clicking over here for a start post, try writing with AI. Also, we have here focused and other here and search messages, and you start with this one. Then we find here in the middle of ours here posts, as you can see. So here we have also my network. Once you click over to find here grow and catch up, you have stand out with premium, as you can see. Then we have here if you want to manage your my network connections. Then we have also other things, as you can see, about my network. And let's just come back here first to my network, and we have also here connections, following and followers. You'll find here followers, following. We have also here groups, events, pages, and newsletter. About catch up, you'll find here job changes, birthdays, work anniversaries, and education as well. Then we have also here in the top right, here we have hire on LinkedIn, sell with LinkedIn, post a job for free, advertise on LinkedIn, get started with premium, learn with LinkedIn and Searcher. We have here advertise, service marketplace, talent insights, manage billing groups, find new clients as well. Then we have here post a job. Once you click over to find the page, which is this one, as you can see. So here we have just to add your project manager. For example, I will just here add managing director, and I will just write on my own. And then you find the page, which is this one. You have just to add the job title, the company name, workspace type, job location, the job type, and you use also the option of write new with AI. Then we have the ideal candidate will excel, and then we have choose skills, communication, marketing, business, public speaking, Microsoft Excel. I will select all these things because I know it. Then we have I will click over next once I done. Then we have also added things here about my account. Here we have your profile, travel mode of profile night. We have posts and activities, job posting account, signing out if you want. We have also here notifications, as you can see. For this one, we find here tops, my past mentions, and all. We have here various things, as you can see. Just to start with this one and start messaging. We have also messaging here, a read. We have drafts, my connections, email, start as well. Then we have also here jobs. Want to create alert, you click over here and you add the job title, the job location, and you have select here the workplace, and you click over create job alert. Then we have also here my network, as I mentioned before, and then we have the home page, as you can see. So you have, if you want to search, example, interview tips, you'll find here a lot of things. Here we have it, and you select here posts if you want jobs, groups, courses, people, companies, and more posts as well. So for example, we have posts, and you select here if it's top match, latest, date posted, you select here content type as well, from members, and all filters as well. We have, if you want also groups, courses, people. For each one you'll find here other filters, companies, and select the one you want. Also we have here events, products, services, all filters, and we have several things in this platform. So right now let's just come back. Here we have interview tips, and right now let's just go to the home. You have here, if you want to start a post, you click over here and you add what you want to talk about. And also if you want to add emoji, if you want to add a gallery here, or add a photo, add a video, you have create an event. If you want to also hear more, for example, say about an occasion, share that you are hiring, create a poll, add a document, find an expert, and you click over post. You have in the top right at your feed, we have your mark and it says employer, and we have a Mariam Ishtigi, and we have your assistant H, Mariam Creamy as well. And here we have, want to follow, you click over here. If you want to view all recommendation, you click over here, and you'll find all these recommendation, as you can see. About my profile, I already mentioned it. We have a language, help, settings, and privacy. Manage, we have a post and activities, job posting account, and if you want to sign out. So LinkedIn Jobs is a powerful tool for finding job opportunities and advancing your career by creating and optimizing profile and applying directly to listings. You can connect with employers and expand your professional network. It's an essential platform for anyone looking to grow in their career and discover new job prospects. So this is how it works with LinkedIn. You have just welcome to your professional community by following the steps, which is the first one, open browser and dive into linkedin.com. Then you will have here just to sign up if you don't have an account, and sign in if you already have an account by using one of these options, Google or email. And you can also click over join now, and it will have explore collaborative articles, find the right job on internship for you. You have post your job for millions of people see, and you have also other things, as you can see here. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.